Today unboxing is on the latest Mini GT, Pandem Toyota GR Supra. This time it comes in a white variation. I previously did an unboxing video for the very first edition in silver. If you missed the video, you can always click on the card above. The details and proportion are on point for mid-price category casting. Many are turned off by the Pandem livery, especially the icon. The box design is striking, including Mini GT social media channel. Wow, this GR Supra variant looks very clean and sleek. I love the white body paint. It makes the GR Supra less muted and more striking. The details are on point, and also the realistic wheel sets with chrome lips. I definitely prefer this than the silver edition. Elastic side mirror, as otherwise looks like plastic unless you touch it. The livery, especially icon, I guess makes the casting quite distracting. The defogger lines are very sharp on the rear. The spoiler is dynamic, which is another unit that seems integrated with the body. Lots of details on the rear, including the plastic insert rear lights, the Toyota badge, the Supra logo, and also the Gazoo racing marking. I'm okay with the Pandem logo type that's plastered across the body. I can't say much about the icon. Although both Supra is different in color and wheel sets, their specifications are identical. Mini GT will definitely comes out with a few more variations for this fantastic Supra. Stay tuned for more Mini GT unboxing. And remember to head on to my second channel, Hot Customs Unboxing, for more contents. You can refer to the link down below in my comment section, including my bio. And don't forget to subscribe. Thanks everyone. Bye.